Hey everyone, this is Next Archer, and this is a dragon fruit. It doesn't look that good right now. I waited a while before I actually got to opening this up. So, this is a dragon fruit. It has a nice reddish pink color, and these are usually much greener. But, looks pretty cool. Let's see what the inside's like. I'm going to use my Mora knife again. So, I'm just going to open it up longways, give it a little more area to see. And I'll talk about it. Okay. As you can see inside here, the skin about 1/4 inch thick all the way around it. The inside looks very much like a kiwi, except with those black seeds. As you can see right there. Very neat, the pinkish outer sides on it. And as you can see, this is a very big fruit. I guess it would be a fruit, or, yeah. I think they grow on a tree. Has the same consistency, at least when cutting into it, as a kiwi does, but is much more firm, like a more compact kiwi. Yeah. It's like a kiwi. It has no taste, actually. I have to say that. To me, absolutely no taste. So I guess that could be good if it's healthy for you. Doesn't taste bad at all. I like that crunch you get from like the seeds, because if you ever have eaten a kiwi, you'll get that satisfying like cracking sound when you're crunching on the seeds, which that's my favorite part of eating a kiwi. And this has lots of them. So, that's a lot of fun. The way I actually learned about dragon fruits is I used to get a bunch of vitamin water, which had dragon fruit flavored. It tasted great, so I was like, oh, I bet the dragon fruit's gonna taste great also. Well, I looked at all the ingredients in the vitamin water, and vitamin water's horrible for you. But apparently dragon fruit is very, very good for you. And I love those seeds. Each one of those little seeds gives it a little crunch. I think I enjoy eating it more than I actually enjoy the taste or anything. Okay. I am starting to get a slight flavor. More towards the bottom of it, or more towards the sides. And it must be in the kiwi family or something, because it does taste a lot like a kiwi. But it has a very, like, you can hardly taste it. It's just like an aftertaste. But I love eating those seeds. So, I think dragon fruit's definitely something you guys should try. Looks awesome. Look up pictures of dragon fruits. This is probably horrible for me because it's a product of Vietnam. So, they probably poisoned it or something. I don't know. But, definitely something that you guys should try. And I should really stop talking with my mouth full. So, awesome little fruit or whatever it is. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll try to find more different strange fruits, foods, and all that. If you enjoy this, tell me. If you don't, there's about 2 people that keep thumbs down in the food videos. Tell me why. I'll see you guys later. Bye.